guys!
Hi guys, welcome to It's an Indie Artists of India, where we discuss cool indie artists that we have found through our journey through life, and we present them to you so that you can keep them as well.
Let's start with the topic of what is an indie artist.
I think people know what an indie artist is.
I didn't. I used to think that means indigenous artist, and then I used to
No.
tell that. I used to convince people. Then I found out it's independent.
What independently means separate from any other label or entity,
Yeah.
unrelated to Bollywood / big labels like
T-Series.
Z Music. Today my boy Lifafa is the topic.
Yes.
I love this guy. I love this guy so much.
Gold.
Why?
I feel like he has a very raw and experimental feel to it.
What
and
would
it's
you
So good.
What would you classify music as, genre-wise?
Experimental for sure.
Experimental, electronic, sample heavy,
Sample heavy, yes, definitely.
little broody, little cool, little introspective.
Yeah, very-
So, what do you like the most about Apna Bhai?
I think it's just every song has a new taste. It's nothing like anything else I've heard. Like Jago kuch alag hai, Candy kuch alag hai, Nikamma is
Yeah.
my personal favorite.
But also, there is, whenever you do hear his music, it's very easy to find out that it's Lifafa.
Yeah.
Like, it has a very distinct feel to it.
Yeah, he has his signature.
By the way, he has a band called Beta Cat Recording Co. Usme he has an album called Beta. That is one of my favorite albums of all time. By the way. If you have to introduce somebody to Lifafa, what would you make them hear first?
I would definitely go for a crowd favorite, Jago.
Jago? Really?
Yes.
I
Because
would
feel
go
like
for Nikamma, dude.
Jago has been on reels a lot.
Huh?
Yeah,
No,
this
that's
sound.
mainly me.
No.
That's me.
No.
No, show me one other
A lot
reel.
of people. A lot of people have.
Please show me one other reel. It's
Also,
okay.
okay.
बाद में दिखा दे.
हाँ, but
चाकू चोड़िया. Let's go for that.
Okay.
Let him cook.
There's so much to wonder.
going on as well.
Yeah.
As soon as I heard this guy's music, I was like, who is this? Who is this guy?
Apart from who is he, I also think about what is this? Like, there's just so much to think about. Ki I can feel myself getting engaged with the music.
Yeah.
Like I'm actually wondering about each part of the music,
Correct.
like track that's
Correct.
playing. I really like that vibe. I dig that.
Yeah, I think he's got a very, very lovely, unique sound that that he's harnessed very well into very different sounding EPs. One of them is Jago.
Yeah.
If you were trying to get into Lifafa, definitely start with Jago.
Yeah.
सुना है
नहीं.
नहीं?
नहीं.
Okay. I like this song a lot. Better not say anything bad.
2 hours later.
Takes a while to get going.
Now sounds like a guitar.
Sorry.
A few moments later.
Ooh. Ooh. That was beautiful. That was just.
Like you. Okay. Closing thoughts.
I think Lifafa is a really good place to start. This is a familiar sound that they've heard already. They might not know who he is, where he came from, because it was a small snippet on a reel. To associate the sound with the artist is very important.
Correct. Okay. Fair.
Why are you suggesting Lifafa?
Because I think Lifafa encapsulates a lot of what I like about indie. There's a lot of Indian instrumentation, a lot of Western instrumentation, and kind of brings it all together in a completely unique sound. His songs sound very punchy, very well mixed, very well put together.
Yeah.
And his albums are very nice storytelling. One song flows very nicely into the other. Maybe not the most technically gifted singer, but still a very nice voice. It's almost like a backdrop to his production, because I think the production definitely takes the center stage
Agreed.
in his songs.
Yeah. I think such artists need to be encouraged
Yes,
more.
exactly.
And
I feel like we need more of these guys. You know?
yeah,
We
and
need more of me. Next indie artist to feature on this series, Abhay Nayar. I'm kidding. You know who it is? The name starts with K. Kartikeya Mishra.
I've loved Lifafa since the moment I listened to him first. I think a lot of other people should feel that kind of, enjoyment.
Enjoy.
Shout out to Original
Shout out Original Divine.
Let's go. Until next time.
Until next time, chumps.